to be heard. Women's lives are non-negotiable.
Message to everybody today is for us to stop femicide. The conversation, as we have had, is stop femicide.
Because this culture of enhancing toxicity and bad cultural values is what is enhancing femicide. So it is time for us to respect the rights of women and to stop treating women as second-class citizens.
Voices need to be heard. Killing of women is unacceptable. Killing of women will not continue unabated. We are saying today with a united voice that the government should hear us. And those perpetrators, you are no longer anonymous. We are putting you on notice that you're not going to kill us.
A statistic, we know them by name, we know where they come from, and we know that they faced injustice. So it's not like they just go and be forgotten. We know them, every single one of them. We know them by name, and we will say their names until they get justice.
Time that male become our champions. We have to have a campaign where, you know, the he are fighting for the she. It is the time where you have to teach your son that it is not good to beat a woman. It is not. There's other ways to settle conflicts. There are other means of conflict.
The issue is beyond what we can see. There's an aspect of cybercrime, there's an aspect of homicide, and there's an aspect of transnational crime. So those are issues that the Ministry of Interior as well as the Ministry of ICT need to look at.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am afraid. I am afraid. What does it mean if women are supposed to be walking all over around fearing for their life? Does it mean that they have to walk with? Do they have to walk with their pangas and machetes in their bag? What are we bringing about our community that people have to walk with weapons? So it means we are going to kill each other.
Yes, we are afraid for our lives, and that is why we have come in numbers. Because we need to be in a city that is safe. We are not, if we are not safe in our homes, we are not safe in the streets, we are not safe anywhere. It means that we need to be scared for our lives. And what saddens me is that people believe that women are killed because of money.
I always say women are a target. They are never safe. And this day was very personal for everyone to come out and stand united against the femicide, because it's not about where or whom or why. Women are killed everywhere. Being in the house, you be in the Airbnb, you be on the road, it is happening.
Haya, tugithie na mbere nao aikari a Semboya